welcome up Breathing AI with Hannes.
So much. Hi, my name is Hannes Bent, and I'm the founder and CEO of Breathing AI. Who here has a lot of stressful screen time? Who here sometimes has bad posture, dry eyes, doesn't take enough breaks, so breathes shallow? I think it's the most of us probably. And yeah, it's really a problem. Changing our behavior is hard. We all know meditation apps are tricky to use, additional screen time. So the 1 in 3 employees is thriving in their well-being only. And only 21% of employees are truly engaged at work. It's the #1 problem for companies, low engagement, costing them over $7 trillion. The current employee wellness products are not working, and only 1% of employees are truly engaged. We all know the problem, additional app time, screen time. So I'd like to invite you talking about stress to lean back, maybe close your eyes, relax, and maybe take the deepest inhale of the day with a bright smile, and a letting go exhale, and just sense how you're feeling now. As the simple exhale, letting go exhale creates twice as much air flowing in, for instance. And what if you would get such break reminders throughout your workday? How? Through a fully personalized and patented first digital health product, a browser extension. It meets you or your employees or your colleagues where you are on your screen and automatically offers you calming color filters, soothing sounds, and break reminders throughout your workday whenever you need them most. We also have an optional patented vital sign detection to really tailor it to your heart rate or breathing patterns. I got into the space because I healed from anxiety and depression through breathwork. I started to work with Wim, the Iceman Hof, a National Medal of Science winner with award-winning pioneering research. And I'm very grateful for my team with a combined over 50 years of experience. Our business model is enterprise sales. We just got our first client signed up today. Very excited about it. And we have an optional revenue stream with licensing out our bio-personalization. We are supported by Techstars. Our product is in 123 countries right now, used by thousands of users, 5-star reviews, and it reduces stress by over 50% and improves focus by 11%. You're welcome to try out our free version on the Chrome store. It's called Breathing AI. We're here to invite you to join us on our mission to truly personalize and adapt technologies to our well-being and performance, so we don't have to have more stress while we're using the screen. And we're looking for investors, partners on our journey here. And we have a patent that not only covers the personalization of screens, but also of audio and olfactory devices. So please join us to really make the screen time we have more personalized to us and make it more relaxing. Thank you.